So it doesn't take whenever you're doing your final heat up. Hey guys, welcome back to All Bright Metalworks. This is Troy. Today we're working on a couple Haybine skids that are a little gnarled up and bent. Been a little beat up. Customer called me and asked me to fix it, so that's what we're doing today. So I just got to heat them up, beat them out, make sure I get my measurements right. So join along with me and have some fun. And now for a moment of fumbling around trying to figure out a good way to hold it still. As you can see, I just decided to grab a hold of the upright part and go after it. That part does get a little hot after a while, so I ended up switching to a hot mill glove and then using the leather glove as a pot holder, essentially. That's one done. It ain't perfectly smooth, but he said he didn't care about that. Just wanted it to be even swoop and have the right measurement from these slots down to that very front of that eye on the post. All right, guys, I'm not gonna make you sit and watch the rest of that. That should cover basically everything you need to know on that. Real simple, pound out the high spots and then use the twisting wrench to bend the whole thing, but you gotta heat it evenly across. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Share it with your friends. And please do leave a comment. It helps with the algorithm. And if you'd like to donate to the channel, you can go to www.albrightmetalworks.com. Go to the Forge Friday tab, and there's a donation section there. And all proceeds go to help with the channel and also for our Forge Friday events. So thanks for watching. Forge on, my friends.